Now, dear students, let's start exercise. Now, exercise number 11 point. Sorry, just 11.2. So, before finding the area by applying the formula, another thing is find the area of irregular shapes. Okay, just like here. One arrow is I have made here. Just इसको आप अच्छे से देखिए. This is a arrow. This is an arrow-like structure. Clear? So find the area of this kind of irregular figure. It is not a square, not a rectangle. तो आप इसका एरिया कैसे निकालेंगे? First you place this kind of irregular shape on a what? Square board. Clear? और जिसके एक स्क्वायर की जो मेजरमेंट हमें पता है 1 सेंटीमीटर बाई 1 सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर? नाउ बाय काउंटिंग द स्क्वायर्स वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस इरेगुलर शेप. अंडरस्टैंड? तो आप इसको कैसे काउंट करेंगे? इन दिस फिगर सम स्क्वायर्स आर होल, सम आर हाफ, सम आर मोर देन हाफ एंड सम आर लेस देन हाफ. So how will we count the squares and how will we find the area of this irregular shape? तो इसके लिए भी एक फॉर्मूला होता है. क्या है? देखिए, जो भी स्क्वायर कंप्लीट है, कंप्लीट स्क्वायर जस्ट टेक 1 मीन्स कंप्लीट स्क्वायर. 4 कंप्लीट स्क्वायर्स आर देयर. ओके, आफ्टर दैट कंप्लीट के बाद क्या आएगा? मोर देन हाफ. द स्क्वायर which is more than half. जिसने भी इस फिगर को ऑक्यूपाई किया है, that square means more than half. देखिए this square, हाँ ये देखिए, ये इसने more than half इसको ऑक्यूपाई किया हुआ है. तो ये जो more than half है इसको भी हम क्या काउंट करेंगे? 1. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 5. This one is 6. Clear? And the square exactly half. Half square means half. We count it half and less than half. Just ignore. In counting, ignore the square which is placed less than half. जहाँ पे half से कम है, just ignore or no need to count that squares. तो यहाँ पे कितने squares हो गए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And what about half half? Half half means 1. So total square is 7. तो एरिया ऑफ दिस इरेगुलर फिगर इज 7 स्क्वायर यूनिट. क्लियर? आपको समझ में आ रहा है? जो पूरा है फुल स्क्वायर, इसको तो आपने पूरा काउंट कर लिया, और जो मोर देन हाफ है काउंट एज होल 1. आपको इसको भी एक काउंट करना है. एंड द स्क्वायर हाफ ऑक्युपाइड, देन हाफ एंड हाफ, देन फाइंड द टोटल number of squares and then you get the area of this irregular shape. Clear? So similar question in your exercise number 11.2, page number 238. First question. Find the area of the region enclosed by the following figures by counting squares. 6 figures are given. So first figure is a square. So very simple, just count the square. Open your book and count the square. देखिए, here it is. This is count the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So what is its area? It is 9 square unit. Because no here unit is not clearly mentioned, means it is in centimeter or meter. So just write down the square unit. And next one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So area of this shape or plus is 5 square unit. Again figure number 3. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So area of this figure is 10 square unit. Now figure number 4, 5 and 6. Do by your own. But in these figures, some squares are half, some are more than half. So means figure number 4, how many complete square is there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 complete square, and half squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half square means 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So area of this figure is 6 square unit. Next one is again 2 full squares and 4 half squares. So 2 plus 2, 4 square unit. Next one is, how many full square is there? 1, 2, 3. And half square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means half, 6 half means 3 full. So 3 and 3 full means 3 plus 3, 6 square unit. So this is about the area of these figures. Now question number 2. Question number 2 again, do it by your own. देखिए ये कुछ ऐसे फिगर्स दिए हुए हैं जो बिल्कुल भी इरेगुलर है, नॉट लीनियर फिगर्स. तो आप इसमें भी वही सेम मेथड आप करेंगे. फर्स्ट यू काउंट द फुल स्क्वायर्स एंड देन हाफ एंड देन मोर देन हाफ, एंड द वॉट एवर स्क्वायर इज लेस देन हाफ, जस्ट इग्नोर दैट, एंड आफ्टर दैट काउंट द what measurement or area of the given figure. Clear? So after that, question number 3. Find the areas of the rectangles whose length and breadth are given. Okay, question number 3. इस पे क्या करना है आपको? रेक्टेंगल है, उसका लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ आर गिवन. तो आप क्या करेंगे? सिंपली आप उसको फॉर्मूला में प्लेस करेंगे एंड देन फाइंड द एरिया. Suppose first question number 3. Length is equal to, what is the length? 9 meter. And breadth is equal to, breadth is 6 meters. Now formula of area is equal to L into B. Now calculate the area. 9 meter into 6 meter. So 9 6 are 54, and what about the unit? 2 times meter means square meter. Students, don't forget to write square units. Understand? देखिए meter 2 times multiply हुआ है, 2 times meter means square meter. Understand? Next question. Question number 2. Length is 17 and breadth is 3. Then what is the area? 17 3s are 51. So 51 square meter. Third one is 14 meter is the length and 4 meter is the breadth. Now again 14 into 4, it is 56 square meter. Clear? So all three areas are the means 54 meter square meter, 51 square meter and 56 square meter. And another question is, which one has the largest area? So किसका largest है? Figure 3. Rectangle 3 has a larger area and less area, smallest area is figure 2. Okay. Now same question number 4 and question number 5. In question number 5, little bit difference. Why? Because in this question, find the areas of the squares whose sides are given. Understand? Question number 5 में क्या difference है? In place of rectangle, you have to find the area of square. And what is the formula? Area is equal to side into side. So first question is 8 centimeters. So area is side into side means 8 into 8. 8 centimeters into 8 centimeters. The answer is 8 8s are 64 square centimeters. Okay. Next question. 14 meters. Square का आपको क्या है formula है? Side into side. So 14 meter into 14 meters. 14 14s are 196 square meters. Clear? Next one is 2 meters 50 centimeters. Okay, so इसको कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? 2 meters and 50 centimeters. देखिए one side is 2 meters and 50 centimeters. Convert into decimal. 2.50 meters. Clear? Now 2.50 meters multiplied by 2.50 meters. अभी आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड देन यू विल गेट द आंसर 6.25 square meters. Clear? So this is about question number 5.